Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gavande. In this video, we'll discuss about the fluidized bed dryer for same 3 in the pharmaceutical engineering subject in the chapter drying, right? So what is the principle of this fluidized bed dryer? Now in this fluidized bed dryer, this works on the technique of fluidization. The particles are going to fluidize. It works on the technique of the fluidization. Therefore, the name it is given, that is the fluidized bed dryer. So in fluidized bed dryer, the hot air it is passed at the high pressure through a perforated bottom of a container. With a very high pressure from a bottom, hot air with very high pressure it is passed, and due to that the material is going to be fluidized. It will be in the fluidized state. The granules are lifted from the bottom and they are suspended in the stream of air, and this condition it is known as the fluidized state. The material, as the air is coming from the bottom, so the material which is in that what we can say container, it is going to lift in the upward direction and it will be in the fluid, वो तैरते हुए रहेंगे हवा में. ऐसे कंडीशन में that fluid will be that material will be there, and that condition it is called as the fluidized state, and therefore the name of this dryer it is a fluidized bed dryer. The hot gas surrounding every granule is going to dry that granule. Therefore what we can say, this is the principle of this fluidized bed dryer. Now you can see here the construction. You can see it consists of a chamber, a big chamber, right? Here is an inlet for the air, and this air is going to be pre-filter. This air it is going to be pre-filter, and here these are the heaters are attached. These heaters are going to heat this air. The air which is coming from the inlet is going to be heated by this heater, and here it is going to move in this section. This is a detachable ball. This is a detachable ball. Again it is made up of metal, and see, this is the bottom of this ball which is perforated. You can see here the gaps, right? So this bottom it is perforated, and through this perforations the hot air with a very high pressure is going to insert into this ball, and the particles which are present in the ball will move in the upward direction. They will be in the fluidized state. वो ऐसे ही यहाँ पे तैरते हुए रहेंगे ऊपर ऊपर, right? Because of the very high pressure of the air. You can imagine कि हवा से कैसे उड़ते हैं, वैसे ये जो particles ये ऊपर के साइड में उड़ते रहेंगे. And because of this hot air, as the particles are in the fluidized state, that particles are going to dry. Now here a fan is attached here. For what? For the recirculation of the air. The hot air is going to be recirculated with the help of this fan. And these are the filter bags which are attached over this bowl. For what purpose? For the collection of the fines. जो ये उड़ते हुए particles है, those who are very fine in size and they are in the dried condition, they will move in this filter bags, and here they are going to be collected in this filter bag. So this is what the construction of this fluidized bed dryer. You can get it, right? Now here you can see the construction. That fluidized bed dryer, there are two forms. One is a horizontal fluidized bed dryer and one is a vertical. The diagram which is this is a vertical FBD, and horizontal is also there. The dryer it is made up of stainless steel or plastic, right? A detachable perforated ball it is placed at the bottom of the dryer, which is used for charging and discharging the material. You have seen here a perforated detachable ball for the charging and discharging of the material, right? A fan is mounted at the upper part for circulating the hot air. This is a fan which is at the upper part for the circulation of the hot air, right? A fresh air inlet, pre-filter and heat exchangers are connected serially to get the required temperature. See here, inlet, pre-filters and the heat exchangers to get the material or to get the heat, what we can say heated, right? To get the air heated. And back filters are placed above the bowl for the recovery of fines. See, these are the back filters above the ball. So this is what the construction. Now we'll go for the working of this fluidized bed dryer. The wet granules to be dried. The granules which we have to dry, they are placed in the detachable bowl. They are placed in the detachable bowl and bowl is placed into the dryer. That bowl it is placed into the dryer. Fresh air is allowed to pass through the pre-filter, which is subsequently gets heated by passing through the heat exchanger. Right? Heat exchanger से वो जो heat आएगी वो जो है वो heat होंगी, वो जो air आएंगी that is going to be heated with the help of the heat exchanger. Hot air passed through the bottom of the bowl. वो जो bottom है वहाँ से यहाँ से hot air जो है वो pass होगी, right, from the bottom of the bowl and the fan is allowed to rotate. The granules, अब air जो रहेगी उसका प्रेशर, उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, द ग्रैन्यूल्स राइज इन द कंटेनर बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई वेलोसिटी ऑफ द गैस. उसकी हाई वेलोसिटी की वजह से वो ऊपर उड़ेंगे और फिर अगेन लैटर फॉल बैक इन द रैंडम मोशन. ऊपर हो जाएंगे फिर से नीचे आएंगे, फिर से ऊपर होंगे फिर से नीचे आएंगे. द गैस सराउंड्स एवरी ग्रैन्यूल टू कम्प्लीटली ड्राई देम. और ये जो गैस के पार्टिकल्स है, जो हीट है, जो एयर है, वो हर एक पार्टिकल को ड्राई करेगी. एंड द एयर लीव्स द ड्रायर बाय पासिंग थ्रू द बैक फिल्टर. द एंट्रेन्ड पार्टिकल्स रिमेन अडहेर टू द इनसाइड सरफेस ऑफ द बैग्स. जो भी पार्टिकल्स एंट्रेन्ड हो चुके हैं वो जो बैग्स है, बैक फिल्टर उसमें रहेंगे. एंड पीरियोडिकली दीज बैग्स आर शेकन. फिर क्या करते हैं, वो बैग्स को शेक करते हैं जिसमें वो पार्टिकल्स कलेक्ट हो चुके हैं एंड वो पार्टिकल्स जो है वो रिमूव हो जाते हैं आफ्टर शेकिंग दैट बैग्स, राइट. एंड द मटेरियल इज कलेक्टेड आफ्टर सम टाइम सो एज टू रीच द एम्बिएंट टेम्परेचर. सो दिस इज व्हाट द वर्किंग ऑफ द फ्लूइडाइज्ड बेड ड्रायर एंड यूजेस. इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर ड्राइंग द ग्रैन्यूल्स. जनरली टैबलेट्स के लिए वगैरह जो ग्रैन्यूल्स रहते हैं उसको ड्राई करने के लिए फ्लूइडाइज्ड बेड ड्रायर को यूज़ किया जाता है. इट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर ड्राइंग. अगेन मिक्सिंग में भी इसको यूज़ करते हैं और ग्रैनुलेशन में भी इसको यूज़ करते हैं. उसको कोट, ग्रैन्यूल्स को कोट करने के लिए भी इसको मॉडिफाई किया गया है कोटिंग पैन लगा के, तो उसको कोट भी कर सकते हैं. एडवांटेजेस जो है, सी इट रिक्वायर्स वेरी लेस टाइम टू कंप्लीट द ड्राइंग, 20 to 40 मिनट्स ओनली. जैसे कि ट्रे ड्रायर में हमको 24 घंटे ड्राई करना पड़ता है, उसके कंपैरिजन में इट नीड्स ओनली 20 to 40 मिनट्स. सो ड्राइंग टाइम इज लेस, 15 times faster than the tray dryer we can say. It is available in different sizes with a drying capacity ranging from 5 to 200 kg per hour. So you can go for different size, छोटा बड़ा you can go, and if it is small 5 kg से 200 kg तक you can get the product. The drying container are mobile, making handling simple and reducing labor cost. You will get what we can say simple handling with a reduced labor cost. Thermal efficiency is more compared to the tray dryer. It is also for mixing of the ingredients. We can go for the mixing also. Then hot spots are not observed in the dryer because of the excellent mixing तुम्हें यहाँ पे मिलेगा and drying भी मिलेगा, right? So it is also used for the thermolabile substances as drying time is short. It is a continuous process. It is not a batch process. Very high output will be there. Floor space requirement is less compared to the spray dryer, right? And free movement of the individual, what we can say, particles eliminate the risk of soluble material migrating as may occurring static beds, right? So static charges वगैरह नहीं होंगे, फ्री होगा. So these are the various advantages of the fluidized bed dryer. Disadvantage that some organic material they may develop electrostatic charges because they are what we can say because of the air they are what we can say they will be in the fluidized state. So when they are in the fluidized state and they are coming down, there will be development of the electrostatic charges, right? अर्थिंग मिलेगा तो electrostatic charges होंगे. And also there will be attrition. जो बहुत ज़्यादा एक दूसरे के ऊपर बम्बार्ड होंगे ना, वो हवा में उड़ेंगे तो एक दूसरे के साथ वो बम्बार्ड होंगे तो क्या होगा, और बाउल के साथ भी वो बम्बार्ड होंगे, जिसकी वजह से वो जो बड़े पार्टिकल्स है वो ब्रेक होंगे एंड फाइन्स छोटे पार्टिकल्स में कन्वर्ट होंगे. सो एट्रिशन होगा उसमें और फाइन्स ज़्यादा मिलेंगे तुमको इसमें. सो यू हैव टू मेंटेन द pressure of the air also properly, so that there will not be much more fines, right? So this is about a fluidized bed dryer, which is very very important from the examination point of view. Always there is a question on this fluidized bed dryer. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.